do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
Yeah, how's it going, guys? We're at Kenny Brock Specialty Motorsports. We're installing the fenders, Nemesis Industries. Then we're also going to be doing the ball joints if time permits, allows. But yeah, guys, I'll be showing you a little bit how the process is. But here's the master of disaster just doing this magic.
Not me, man.
Alright, so when you're very big in the Jeep industry, General of Road sent him a gift. What do you get, Kenny?
I don't know. We're gonna open it just like Christmas. It's the only Christmas present I'm gonna get. Aww.
Right. Smells like chocolates.
Lunch.
What do we have here, Mike?
You have a knuckle and upper and lower ball joints.
Look at this, guys. It was about time. Teraflex heavy duty ball joints.
Looks good to me.
So that's why it feels like I'm driving some piece of crap. Look at this. That's true. But with the way I drive and the 37s on a little Dana 30, definitely you need to upgrade ball joints. And it will feel like a caddy. Supposed to.
That's what I think it's from, taking them turns at 100 miles an hour.
All right, guys. So we got it done. Mr. Kenny right here. He's the man. Look at it. Alright guys, so tomorrow we're just gonna go get an alignment and it should be dialed in, ready to go. So tomorrow I'll bring you to that, the alignment shop. And look who's here.
Specialty lab.
The specialty lab. Look at him cringing over there. Alright guys, till tomorrow at the alignment shop. Say goodbye, Kenny.
Goodbye, Kenny.
What is going on, guys? Another day, we have some sunlight. Let me show you the fenders. So these are the Nemesis again. This is the Odyssey in the front. This is the widest one. No more gaps between the fender and the actual inner fender. Plays really well with the Falcon shocks. Love the looks. This is my favorite angle from down here. I just love that curve. Normally I have spacers on the wheels, 1.5 inches, which I don't have the front ones right now because I have studs were busted, so I need to fix those. I still have the ones in the rear, so the fronts are gonna come once I fix them. The rears, these are the Notorious with the dovetail, so it just blends in. Look at that. I love how it blends. It matches really good. I love the color match. Now let's go over here. Something else we did was the ball joints, right? I plugged back in the connect to the sway bar. Teraflex. Upper bottom adjustable. The Jeep is driving like a dream again. Before it was all over the place, plus I was disconnected, but that I was used to it. I have an alignment earlier today. It feels really good now. Another thing, let me show you. Remember at the CTI ramp, they advised me that I was touching the frame whenever I was flexing, so I bought this Nemesis Industries shock adjusters or relocating bracket. So pretty happy with those. Now the shock itself is not gonna touch the frame at all, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I just need to play with the rear bump stops and remove one puck. Look at that. It's a little bit angled out, but that's the purpose of it. So the body of the shock doesn't touch the frame of the Jeep and I don't bend them and mess them up. Now I just need to clean it up. It's messy inside. I have sand in the inside. I went through a puddle the other day. But now with fenders, I shouldn't have that problem. And I'm gonna fix this because I'm gonna get rock rails. I didn't tell you, I removed those mini belts. Remember I told you a couple times they are bad if you're actually off-roading. Once rocks are hitting on them, they're gonna bend. Now I went with this Rubicon ones. Meanwhile I get the ones that I want. I'm probably gonna go with the Nemesis belly rockers with the skin that covers right there all around, but that will be in a while. I'm trying to get trail doors, so half doors for Jeep Beach, and you know I live in Florida, it's sunny a lot of the times. Look at this. So definitely that will be a project that I want to do prior than Jeep Beach, so I can go without the roof, go with the trail doors or half doors, and it's just gonna look really clean. You'll be able to see the bucket seats. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have questions about the ball joints, the fenders, inner fenders, the relocating bracket for the shocks, just hit me up, let me know, and I'll be glad to assist you with that. But again guys, thank you for watching. It has been a pleasure. Until the next time, see ya.